Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up AppTranslate on iPhone. To set up translation on your iPhone, use the built-in Apple Translate app. Okay, and you can download other apps like Google Translate for more options, right? And enable features like on-device translation or live translation in the settings. You could go ahead to Apple and camera for live translation, conversations, right? Where you can translate from one language to another, and favorites if you have a favorite kind of thing, right? And also, you could turn on the on-device translation via browser. So you could go ahead, for example, to an article, right? Let's say this article, and I could just go ahead and turn on the live translation. So I'm gonna hit the screen right here next to the website link on the bottom left. Okay, and then just translate to your own native language using the built-in AppTranslate, right, within Safari. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.